Hey everybody, Cam Capital here with a video on Tesla. It is 420 Tuesday. It could be Dogecoin Day or Happy Elon Musk Day or the traditional 420 holiday. But instead of the markets being green today, we're pretty red here across the board. So you see a heavy mix of red. All the indices is this left section here. It's just the S&P 500. All the weighted, the heavy tech, all red today. And Tesla right here, this box, is one of the few, green companies tech-wise. Your main greens were, Johnson & Johnson, pharmaceuticals, consumable products. But Tesla was one of the stronger stocks today, finishing in the green, up, 0.6% at $718.99. We'll get to this chart in a second. But so just to round out the news from the moves yesterday about the crash in Texas. So Tom Nash has a great video on it explaining kind of how the media put out one narrative, and then the fire department and Elon basically are against that narrative. The media was saying it took 4 hours to put the fire out when the fire department said they put it out within minutes. And so there's a lot of misinformation going on right now, and Elon had a series of tweets out about it, but you can see that on his video. I'll link that. So the video is way better than anything that I could put out on it. But anyways, that did help get that bounce yesterday after market hours and this morning. So that news came out here about 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon on the West Coast. This 5-minute chart got that pop higher, got to 725, consolidated, then pre-market had a big sell-off. Just about every stock was that way. And then we got the rise up pre-market, and then the push into the open 6 o'clock, and then we ripped right out of the open. So really moved against what the overall market was doing in the morning. Got a pretty strong push up to 735. Right, I mentioned in the video yesterday that really, if you go to the 1 minute chart, we want to see get back through this resistance 721, 724. Right, we took that out yesterday pre-market, and then we could look to get back up into this 740 range. And you see we got pretty close today. We just didn't get there. We'll come back to the daily on the 5-minute chart. So we did have some strong momentum. And if you notice here, I just added the standard Eve and the Keltners into one chart now. I'll probably slow down my computer, but I think it's easier than switching back and forth. But we got pretty close to that one standard D level. And then really, I think the downward move here is really more associated with the broader markets overall, not necessarily Tesla. And we sold back off and then held pretty tight to the neutral standard Eve line. Most things didn't have great range today. A lot of consolidation second half today, but we'll look to see where we land right now. As you can see, after hours here, we're looking to move lower, 714, 718. So we're sitting right where resistance and support has been in the past for Tesla over like the last month and a half. So we're kind of indecisive right now. Here with the 5-minute chart, our standard Ds are slanted down, so that means we could be in a downtrend right now. But if we go out to the daily, obviously the long term, that slope changes pretty dramatically. So we look here on the daily right now, just from candlesticks yesterday, kind of got this pin bar hammer, got us a close right basically on the half standard D line. And then today, basically candle forms a doji spinning top. There is a body here, probably more spinning top than doji. But we were able to close on the right side of the standard D mark and on the 9 EMA. So 9 EMA down is at 715. And so you see, just if I can get the volume in here, so still somewhat more volume here packed in, that 720 up to about 725. Resistance from the high of yesterday. Lower, that's where kind of the volume shelf is. So if we can get some positive momentum tomorrow, get to that 725 area again, then we want to get through 740 to continue up higher. More selling on the volume today, but a good thing there is the sellers couldn't push this below the 9 EMA on the close. So that is also another positive for Tesla. And then just where we're sitting at in the week, right? So Tuesdays, 2 days of the week down, got an indecision doji candle. So we'll look to see, whether we can open higher or lower tomorrow. And direction that we do open, could be the direction we move the rest of this week. So we'll just have to wait and see. So that's what I got for you guys on the Tesla stock today with the news on the crash in Texas. There was some movement You can also see here down on the left the Chinese vehicles, NIO, XPEV. They were both up today, kind of hyped up on their earnings next week, which Tesla also has on the 26th. So that is an event to look for next week. So that's what I got for you guys. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on Tesla. They just have been doing pretty well view-wise. So if you guys are interested in Tesla and want them to keep coming, please let me know. Appreciate you taking time to watch the video, and we'll see you in the next one.